This island guys is very small. Pero wala nang tao guys. Where are the people? Wala kang maririnig. Hangin lang guys. So guys, lalabas kami. Maghanap kami for dinner. Tingnan nyo yung labas guys. Tingnan nyo yung ano dito. Ano pa yan guys? 19 forgotten pa to. Maano mo talaga siya guys. Malalaman mo talaga siya kung ano, this is from World War I or World War II.
Before World War One.
Before World War I?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Look at the ano guys. Grabe yung ano, diba? Anong oras na? Magpa 5 PM na guys. That way is to the sea.
Maybe. Yeah.
So may ano dun guys, may dagat dun sa unahan. Pero I don't know kung today we will see. So dito tayo na way. So dito tayo guys. Maghanap lang kami ng makakain. Or can we walk there and then here on Dansurukta? Okay, para maano lang natin guys. Grabe yung ano dito guys. Oh, may mga tinda-tinda pa sila oh. Uy, mga antiques to sila guys. Yan mga, this is house, right? Or apartments, or I don't know, hotels.
No.
House. It's a private houses. Oh, mga bahay-bahay na to guys sila. Diyan. And so, ano ba to dito? Oh my god, look at this guys. Diba? Can you stay here for longer?
No.
Makikita mo guys kung gaano na siya ka old. Look at the door. May saying there 1690. My god.
Yeah.
A very old house guys. 1690. My god.
You want to have?
No. Grabe no. Yung ano ko guys, haggard na si Archie guys kasi maaga kami gumising kanina. Oh my god. Para talaga akong, I feel like I'm in a movie of
Yeah.
Babylon Berlin or something like that.
But
Alam nyo guys, yung ano, gano'n. Oh my god. Huwag natin masyado i-detail ng mga ano guys kasi may mga ano pa siya, may mga nakatira pa. Baka lumabas tas pagalitan tayo. Ano lang muna tayo guys, one tour, one round. And then one round muna tayo. Doon pa sana tayo, pero wag na muna. But dito tayo guys kasi babalik tayo doon sa may pinanggalingan natin. Pero in the other side na siya. May mga ibang houses kasi guys na may nakatira. Yung iba naman is for rent, mga ganun lang. Ito that's another old house. Grabe na talaga guys. Wait lang ano, itong camera ko. Diba? Wow. This one is cute.
yeah.
Nice one. Oh, my church sila dito guys. Yan yung church. Yan yung church nila guys. Guys, we decided na lang na ano na lang muna. Check na muna natin yung ano guys. Yung water. This is the North Sea or the what? Ostsee. Kasi malapit lang naman siya guys. So tingnan lang natin kung ano. Hindi pa naman kami masyado gutom. Oh, there's ano there. Oh, it's for sale. Hotel siya pero for sale. And at the likod side. The back side lang. Maganda dito din guys. Guys, gagamitin ko yung camera, yung cellphone ko kasi yung camera is, it's not so nice. Ang ganda kasi ng view tapos hindi siya ma-justify ng camera. Look at that, di ba? Here is the water now. Di ba guys, ang ganda. Naamoy ko na habis na. Di ba? Feeling ko lang oysters dyan guys. Gusto ko sanang mag-oysters dyan. Charot. Oh, there's another small island there. Maganda naman. So ayun, it's just a court. Or you want to go farther? You want to go there? No, okay. Why are you eating that?
Lecker.
That's from the rose, or?
Ja. Healthy.
Kann man das essen?
Ja.
Tingnan nyo guys, pwede pala siyang kainin. Yan oh, pwede pala siyang kainin sa rose. I've seen this in Frankfurt a lot of, a lot of times.
Ja.
Can I try?
Ich hatte es doch gerade am Angebot. Ja, ja.
Try natin to guys. So there's a fruit in rose.
Yeah.
Aktong with your, here. Because your t-shirt is white. So may fruits pala ang rose. I mean, nakakain pala siya. Palagi ko to nakikita sa Frankfurt. I just want to try. Yeah.
Ja. Man kann Marmelade draus machen.
Para siyang peras, guys. Alam niyo yung peras na hindi crunchy, yung very, or yung apple na na medyo matagal na soft na nga apple, hindi siya crunchy, ganon. Ganon yung lasa niya. Maybe if I am too hungry and nothing to eat, yeah, why not, diba? Charot.
Das ist halt sehr mühsam, nicht? Weil man nur
Yeah.
eine dünne Schicht des Fruchtfleisches.
Yeah. So guys, gagamitin ko na lang yung camera ko all the time because I mean my cell phone. Because look at this, the texture. And now we will look for food. Ayan, so maghahanap na tayo ng pagkain. I'm a little bit hungry now.
Ja.
Look at this bahay, guys. Bago siyang pintura. Ayan, maganda din siya dito. May mga shop, guys. Tingnan natin yan sa na lang bukas na
Nee, das leider.
Bumalik na tayo sa hotel, guys. Diyan kami nagstay. Yang na yan.
Ah, ja.
So dito, it's close. Close to sila, guys. Oh, there's a restaurant there. Maybe we can check. So kakain tayo ng Danish food.
Mehr Fragen.
Guys, ang aga pa pala. 6 p.m. pa pala. So I think all of them will start at 6, oder?
Frog.
Nagutom na ako, guys. But anyways. So guys, since 6 p.m. pa ang restaurant mag-open. And I think mayroon pa kaming 30 minutes. Andyan yung hotel namin. At yung restaurant is andyan lang siya. Nasaan ba yun? Andyan lang siya, guys. Andyan lang yan. Yan lang. So dito na kami maghintay. Napagod ako. This island, guys, is very small. Not very small, but
Doch,
I mean, itong guys, itong village na to, I mean. Pero sa labas ng village na to, may mga mas maganda ng mga bahay-bahay. Na to siya, old cities. But I don't know how old, maybe 700 years.
ja.
Maybe something like that. Pero wala nang tao, guys.
The marketplace
Yeah.
in former times.
Where are the people? I think, guys, lang to siya, mga tourist na to, medyo nandito. Pero sa labas ng city na to, na very old city, alam niya na. So ayun, siguro nandun na sila kasi wala ka talagang maano dito, guys. Wala kang maririnig. Hangin lang, guys. Tapos pag may mga dumadaan, 1 or 2 people lang, yung mga tourist lang din talaga. Parang library ata yan. Guys, nakahanap na kami ng restaurant. Yung first na pinuntahan namin na close pa. Pero madaming tao, guys. So, wala ako masyadong video dito. Naka-order na kami and then hinihintay lang namin yung aming pang dinner. And I ordered fish and then si partner is nag-order siya ng steak. Oh, later na ako mag-steak siguro bukas. Gusto ko mag-isda ngayon. And meron ako dito beer from Denmark. Masarap siya pero very very light. Very very light, guys. Hindi ka malalasing sa isang or mga maybe 5 of this. Hindi ka malalasing. And then si partner nag-order rin siya ng apple shorly tawag. Apple shorly tawag. Yan na yung order ko, guys. Isda. Hindi yan ang expected ko but okay na yan, guys. Ilaban na natin yan. Yan kay partner. Steak. Tapos may potatoes pa dyan. Good morning. It's our, ano guys, second day. Second day? Yes. Not sure. Of course, it's our second day. Couple kami dumating. And it's almost 11 a.m. na guys. At hanggang ngayon guys, wala pang nag-o-open na ano, cafe. Gusto namin mag-breakfast kasi sa yung pinagstayhan namin hindi siya hotel. Para siyang vacation something. Basta hindi siya hotel. Kasi wala siyang breakfast. Tapos wala kaming nakaseparate yung bathroom namin, pero kami lang gumagamit yung bathroom kasi may nakasulat na only for our room. But anyway, so ayun, maghahanap kami ng pang breakfast muna and later na muna tayo mag-chicken. May nahanap na kami guys, pero sad to say hindi sila masyado nag-offer ng breakfast. Coffee yes pwede, pero pang lunch na yung ano nila, yung ino-offer nila. Meron sana dun, oh yan, yung mga table na yan. Pero hindi pa sila nag-open. Anong oras na? What time is it? Mag-11 na guys. And wala pa talaga. Tingnan nyo yung mga tao guys. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ganyan lang. Very, very ano dito guys. Very quiet. But, yeah, it's a good experience. Charot.
Liar.
Yeah, what can we do? We're already here. So, and yung nag-expect ako na yung mga madaming seafoods, you know, at least oysters, mga ganun, kasi malapit lang talaga sila sa dagat, pero wala. Meron sila mga ano, I don't know, maybe in this place they will offer. Maybe we will check later tonight here. So ayun lang. So hinihintay lang namin yung coffee namin guys. Kakatapos lang namin mag coffee and it's already 12. So dito na lang muna kami din magla-lunch. Later magtutur around siguro kami dito sa city na to. And then look guys, yung ano na yan, yung bakery na yan, dyan sana kami mag-breakfast. Ayun pa sila nag-open na lunchtime. Hopefully I can eat oysters today. Charot. So ayun, nag-order na kami ng lunch. Have you ordered?
No.
Akso, I thought you ordered. And then seafoods yung order namin guys. So let's see kung fresh pa or from the frozen. Ayan na guys ang aming lunch. Seafood guys. Seafoods. Paano ba to? Hindi naman niya maintindihan. Did you understand?
No.
No. May shrimp. May different kinds of cheese with almonds. Ito hindi ko alam kung ano to siya.
Dessert? Or what is that?
Ito din di ko alam. May ham and isda ata yan guys. And then with bread. And para siyang ano.
Oh, good.
Guys, tapos na kaming kain ng lunch or breakfast. And now, nandito kami sa end point ng island na to. Right, this is the end point of the island.
Yeah.
Yeah, kasi may tube, may water na siya. And may mga boats dyan oh. Punta kami doon sa unahan. And kasi guys, merong grocery dyan. Dyan kami mamaya. After this, mag-grocery kami for mga water lang or some fruits, mga ganun lang siya guys. So ayan, maganda naman siya. Guys, kanina it was sunny and now it's getting dark. And I think uulan na naman. Ayan ang itsura niya guys. Tingnan niyo yung clouds, di ba? Nagda-dark na siya guys. Baka uulan na mamaya. Ayun. So pupunta tayo doon sa unahan. Tingnan natin kung ano ang maganda doon. And this is the water. It's not so clear pero maganda naman siya guys. Very calm. And I don't see any fish in the moment. I saw starfish there. Very little one. So this is Denmark Aero. Aero Zubing o ano?
Ärø, yeah.
Aero. Yeah, okay guys. So para ako nasa ano guys, alam niyo yung nasa movie ng mga dolphins, di ba? Tingnan niyo ito. Yan, di ba? Mga ganyan-ganyan. May mga ano siya. Gusto ko sanang pumunta diyan oh, diyan. Gusto ko pero parang It's not allowed, I think. I'm not sure. Yan, pwedeng dyan pala magkain-kain. Pero I think it's still closed. Or I don't know.
Yeah.
So ayun siya guys, parang ano kami kasi baka maabuton kami ng ulan guys. The clouds is coming. The clouds is coming. The dark clouds are coming. And yeah, medyo na din siya lumalamig guys. Kaya we have to go to the supermarket now. Mamimili na kami guys. Walang masyadong restaurant dito. May restaurant dito guys, 3 ata yun sabi ng waiter ng kinainan namin kanina. May 3 ano na parang everyday open, ganun. Pero may time sila na kailan mag-open, kailan mag-close. Twice ata mag-close, parang ganun, in a day. Gusto ko sana talagang pumunta doon, the other side, pero parang uulan na siya guys. It's going to rain, so maybe not. We'll try tomorrow. We will see. Maybe from the other side again. So, ayan yung grocery nila guys. Ang pangalan is Netto. May Netto sa Germany, pero I think it's another Netto. Or are they the same?
Yes.
Okay, so the same lang pala guys. Good evening guys. It's 5:30 PM. And nakahanap kami ng pang dinner. Kung saan kami magdi-dinner. Yan. Sa garden lang to guys. Sa garden lang to, parang nakaano lang, di ba? So naka-order na kami. Nag-order ako ng steak. Si partner is nag-order ng salad. And we already have wine. Tingnan muna. Okay, magpo-pros daw kami. Cheers! I think malapit na matapos yung order namin. And yeah, maaga kaming nag-dinner today. And then punta na kami sa hotel after. And then because tomorrow another na naman. Yeah, so ayun guys. Guys, nakita nyo yun. It's 7:30 PM dito. Pero wala nang tao sa labas. Ganito ka. Para siyang ghost town. Para siyang ghost town dito guys. Ano ba yung mukha ko? Haggard na haggard siya guys. Yeah, kanina pa kami dito sa hotel guys. Mga 1 hour. Kasi maaga kami nag-dinner. So, ayun. Diba? Para siyang ghost town dito guys. Yung mga tao dito wala. Halos wala ng mga tao guys. My God. So, kami din. Nagre-ready na para dito na lang kami guys. Hanggang magbukas. It's another day. It's our 3rd day guys. And parang naka-formal siya. Sino pero pa-jacket na. Kasi guys malamig na siya. Magpa-brunch na kami. It's already 11 AM. So punta kami dun sa may sana meron ako mabili dito guys. Walang masyadong dito guys, mga souvenir stores. They don't have here, right? I haven't seen one. Wala sila guys. So ayan guys, kakatapos lang naming mag brunch and now naglalakad-lakad na naman kami ulit dito sa may tabing dagat. Pero we cannot go down there because there's so yeah, might be slippery and very big stones down there. We will try to go down there. And then yeah, yan lang guys, may nag-fishing so yan yung view guys. Look at that, it's so beautiful. So maglalakad pa tayo guys. Oh, there's a stairs down there. I feel like we can. And there's a stairs.
Down.
No, I will not.
There's
Yeah. Look at the water. It's clear siya actually guys, pero ang dami niyang seaweeds. At wala pa din ako nakikitang oysters. I don't see any oysters here. So dito na naman tayo. Uy, parang maganda dun oh. Andito na tayo sa endpoint guys. Wala pa rin ako nakikitang ano. Wait, I have to wear. Ayan. Guys, galing lang kami dyan sa church nila. Protestant church guys. So ayun, maganda naman siya. Very, very calm and very quiet. And we're the only one inside. But it's nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice that
It's very
it was
nice.
open.
Yeah. We thought that it's closed guys, pero open pala siya. So ayun, balik na kami sa hotel and then yeah, we will prepare for tomorrow as we leave to Germany. Back to Germany na naman.